Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Riya's Techno World. In this video, I am going to tell about how to use guest mode in Windows 7. So let's start. First, click on Start menu and select Control Panel. Here you have to select User Accounts. Then select Manage Another Account. Now you can turn guest mode on or off. Now let's see how to create a new account. Under Manage Account, select Create a new account. Now you have to add name to your guest account. Now you have to choose the account type and click on Create Account. That's it. Now the new account is ready. Here you can make changes to the account. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos.